Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about mitosis. So, what is mitosis? Mitosis is a cell division process whereby one cell divides to form two diploid cells. The diploid cells have the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell. They are identical to the parent cell and they're also identical to each other. So the number of chromosomes is what? It is maintained. It does not change. So the question is, where does mitosis take place? Mitosis takes place in somatic cells. Somatic cells are body cells. So we have two different types of cells in humans. We have somatic cells. We also have gametes. Gametes are the sex cells. So now we're talking about somatic cells, which are the body cells. Any cell in the body except for the sex cell, except for the sperm cell, except for the ovary. We are talking about body cells. So that's where mitosis take place. The question is, why is mitosis important? Mitosis, sorry about that. Mitosis is important because it helps with the growth of an organism. So it provides new cells with growth. Secondly, it replaces damaged and worn out cells such as skin cells. So if your skin gets damaged, if you get burned, you're going to get a new skin as time goes on because of mitosis. So it repairs damaged cells. It also helps to maintain a proper size of a cell. So the same size that you need in your body is the same size that you're going to get through mitosis. And most importantly, it maintains the number of chromosomes in daughter cells after division. So during the process of division, the same number of chromosomes remains the same. So it does not change at all. Now we are going to talk about the processes of mitosis. The first one should be prophase. So our prophase, in prophase we have sister chromatids which are condensed. We also have the centrosomes that is outside of the nucleus which will separate. So it will be doing this in preparation for the metaphase. So we are going to have prometaphase. So when we talk about prometaphase, we are talking about the stage whereby the nuclear envelope breaks down and the spindle fibers can now attach the chromosomes via the kinetochore. So when you look at the structure in prometaphase, the chromosomes are going to align. They are working towards aligning themselves along the equator. They are not yet aligned, but they are aligned only in metaphase. So in metaphase, the chromosomes are aligned at the equator, and the kinetochore connects the sister chromatids to the opposite poles. When we talk about sister chromatids, we are talking about the chromatids that are combined together to form a chromosome. In anaphase, the sister chromatids separate, and when they separate, they will form daughter chromosomes. When they form daughter chromosomes, each chromosome will be pulled towards the opposite pole. Then when we talk about telophase, we're talking about the process where cell division begins. So the two sets of daughter chromosomes arrive at the poles and decondenses. So a new nuclear envelope will begin to form around each set. Now, the most important last part is cytokinesis. Cytokinesis separates the cell in half and ensures that one nucleus ends up in each daughter cell. Now I want you to look at the diagram that we are going to discuss, and then hopefully you're going to pass with a distinction. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and continue to watch this video. The diagram is very, very important. Let's look into it. So before we talk about mitotic phases, we are going to talk about the step interphase. Interphase needs to take place because a cell needs to replicate before it can actually divide. So this is our interphase. We have a nuclear. We also have our chromatids. They are not yet chromosomes. We also have our centromeres, or we can say our kinetochores are developing. So this is not part of mitosis phases, but before anything else, this needs to take place. Now we have prophase. In prophase, you can see the chromosomes instead of the chromatids. We see the actual chromosomes. We also see the nucleus disappearing. We also have the centrosomes. The centrosomes, they have kinetochore. We can call them kinetochore because the kinetochores are the proteins that are associated with the centrosomes. So in prometaphase, the chromosomes are preparing themselves to align along the equator. They are not actually aligned yet, but they are preparing themselves. In this diagram, you can see chromosomes. You can see spindle fibers has formed. You can also see a centrosome. So this centrosome connects these two. Now we are going to talk about metaphase. When we talk about metaphase, we talk about a process or a stage whereby the chromosomes are aligned along the equator. So this is metaphase. The chromosomes are aligned along the equator. So we also have anaphase. So in anaphase, these chromosomes, the chromatids, are pulled along the opposite pole. So anaphase is the pulling of chromatids or chromosomes towards the opposite poles. Now we are going to have the step telophase, the last step of mitosis. The last step of mitosis, we have telophase, whereby now we have this division line. Now we have this division line. Now you have your cell trying to divide into two. So cell division begins here in telophase. So you're gonna end up with two diploid cells which are identical to the first cell that was divided. So cytokinesis is really the division of the cells. This is cytokinesis. So if you can see here, you can see that it's already divided, unlike here. So when it's already divided, then we call it cytokinesis. So this whole process is similar to meiosis 2. The only difference is meiosis 2 produces 4 cells and this one produces 2 cells. So everything is just the same. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'd love to deliver more content. Please let me know which subject you'd like. Oh, sorry, not subject. Which topic would you like me to cover? But I thank you for this opportunity. May God bless you.